HBAR doing some major things. We're going to talk about it in this video. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. HBAR fam, let me know you're here. Smash that like button. Hedera Hashgraph community. I know you guys are strong and growing. Haven't done an HBAR video in a little while. Well, that's going to change because now we've got some things to talk about. And in this video, we're going to talk about how Hedera HBAR linked with banking and Mastercard for enhanced digital solutions. Talking about the future of HBAR. This is going to get you excited, and it's exciting for sure to check this out. So, check this out. This is a pioneering layer in the realm of digital innovation. Fresh Supply, COAU, they took a step forward, integrating Hedera into its Continuity API. The HBAR Foundation announced this on X or Twitter today. This dynamic fusion links the Hedera network with the conventional banking system and amplifies its reach by integrating with the Mastercard network. As you guys know, this is absolutely huge. This is what you want for mass adoption, and this partnership provides them access to MPGS. That is the Mastercard Payment Gateway Service, and other future projects from Hedera Foundation, such as their cutting-edge Web3 and digital asset solutions. This is huge. The fact that Mastercard sees the value that we do in Hedera is huge. Hedera's integration with the traditional banking system opens up the possibility of frictionless international trade, safe payments, and wider range of financial services, a powerful potential to reimagine how value is shared, tracked, and managed in the digital age exists when the power of blockchain tech is combined with traditional financial frameworks. This is what we want to happen across the board, right? It's happening in these insulated places. Now one of those places is Hedera, but the U.S. government recognizes Hedera. According to a news release issued by the U.S. Department of State, Hedera was honored for its commitment to using blockchain tech to advance democratic principles. This is huge. Hedera said that it would host a democracy roundtable discussion with businesses, trade association, advocacy groups, academics, and government representatives to discuss how distributed ledger tech, or DLT, may assist promote transparency and protect civic rights. As you guys can imagine, this is good in the eyes of regulators, so we should all be eyes wide open when it comes to the HBAR token, which is currently trading at around 5 cents, because I think we could see a massive move if this type of information materializes into a major partnership, perhaps with government organizations. All of the stars are aligned for that to happen for HBAR. Now we have to continue to see what takes place here with this most recent news today as HBAR takes one more step further, getting linked with the banking system and Mastercard for enhanced digital solutions. Exciting times ahead for Hedera Hashgraph. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to subscribe as well. We'll see you in the next video.